Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to timely get new video updates. In today's quick video, we will learn how to download and install Windows Server 2025 on VMware Workstation Pro. Let's start with the Server 2025 ISO download from the Microsoft website. I left the link in the video description as well. Click on the Download ISO link, and that will take you to the Quick Participation link for trial. Fill in the details and then click Download Now button at the end. Next, click on ISO Download 64-bit edition and that will start downloading your ISO file. I have already downloaded the ISO, as you can see under my download directory. To create our Server 2025 machine, open the VMware Workstation and click on Create a new virtual machine. Select I will install the operating system later option and hit Next. Choose the guest operating settings based on Windows Server 2025. If you are using older version of VMware Workstation, select the least available server. Give your machine a meaningful name and confirm the installation directory. Set disk storage as per your lab need and select machine files type. Single file option helps you later, if you wish to move machine or wants to create more virtual machines using same disk file. Assign resources and configure network configuration as per your requirement. Next, go to the settings and attach the ISO file. We are now ready to power on the virtual machine. Follow the screen instructions to install Windows Server 2025. Select I would like to install Windows Server and agree to remove all files and settings. For this lab demonstration, I will install Data Center Desktop Experience. Make sure to select Desktop Experience option for graphical interface server installation. Next, click on Create Partition and allocate disk as required. In my case, I will allocate full available 100 GB. Select Primary Partition Disk and click Next. Once you are ready, click Install button to start installation. Installation will take 5 to 10 minutes depends upon your system resources. Machine will reboot during installation to complete installation steps. Set up the new credentials for administrator login. Our Windows Server 2025 is now installed. Make sure to install VMware tools for the smooth working of your new machine. Machine will require reboot after VMware Tools installation.